How to find Snapchat recap. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to find your Snapchat recap, you need to first go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure that it's updated to its latest version and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you open the Snapchat application, go to the Memories tab by swiping from the camera screen or tap on this media icon over here. Look for the card or the banner at the top of the Memories tab that says a look back, year in review, or recap. Tap on the card or the banner to view your recap, and it shows highlights from your saved snaps and stories. You can edit, share, or save the recap. And if you don't see the recap, you may not have enough saved snaps in your memories. The recap feature may not be available in your country yet, so make sure that your Snapchat app is also updated. And if the recap is missing, there may be specific settings that need to be enabled. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.